Welcome to our mindful eating meditation, where I'm going to guide you through the practice to help you cultivate a more mindful relationship with food. This meditation is designed to bring you awareness to the present moment and help you tune into your body's natural cues. Find a quiet place where you won't be interrupted by anyone, and you can sit comfortably with a small snack. This snack can be anything from some nuts to a piece of fruit, or even a cookie or a sandwich. Mindful eating isn't about restricting yourself or following a strict diet. It's more about being fully present and aware while eating. The important thing is to choose something that you enjoy eating and can mindfully focus on during the meditation. Feel free to pause the video at this stage to put together a favourite snack. The practice of mindful eating will help you connect with the experience of eating, rather than just going through the motions mindlessly. Let's begin by taking a moment to settle into our space. As you prepare to eat, settle into your seat and take a moment to truly be present with your meal. Begin by taking a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs, and then exhale slowly, letting go of any distractions around you. Set an intention for this meditation. It could be to fully engage with the experience of your meal, to attentively listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues, or to savor and appreciate the flavors and textures of your food. Whatever your intention, hold it gently in your awareness. We'll now take a moment to engage with our food using our senses. Start by looking at your plate. Notice the colours and different shapes arranged before you. What do you see? Observe the contrast in colours, the way the light reflects off the moist surfaces or creates shadows on the textured areas. Each element on your plate contributes to this visual feast, inviting you to explore further. Now, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Let the aromas come to you. Inhale slowly and identify the different scents. Can you detect the sweetness of ripe fruit or the earthy notes of vegetables? Maybe there's a warmth of spices wafting up to meet you. Or it could be the savoury smell of grilled meat or baked bread that fills the air. Each scent offers a clue to the flavours you're about to experience. As you continue to breathe deeply, notice any sensations in your body. Is there a sense of hunger or anticipation? Do you feel a warmth, a tingling, or perhaps a relaxation as you inhale these aromas? Pay attention to your thoughts and feelings at this moment too. You may recall a memory triggered by a particular scent, or experience a moment of gratitude for the meal. Welcome these thoughts and sensations without judgment, allowing yourself to be fully present and connected with the experience. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into this state of awareness. Feel grounded in the moment, connected to your senses, and open to the experiences your meal will bring. It's now time to eat. Gently pick up your utensil or piece of food, but pause for a moment before you take the first bite. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bring the food to your lips. Notice the movement of your hand and arm as you do this, observing how you feel in this moment of anticipation. Place a small bite in your mouth. You can close your eyes at this stage if it feels comfortable, allowing your sense of taste to heighten. Chew slowly. Feel the texture of the food between your teeth, the smoothness, the crunchiness, the softness. Pay attention to how the texture might change as you continue to chew. Notice the temperature of the food. Is it warm, comforting your palate, or is it cool, refreshing your senses? Let the flavors slowly unfold. See how they mix and change, each flavor bringing something different to your meal. With each chew, focus on how the food feels in different parts of your mouth. Some flavors may seem more intense on different parts of your tongue. Notice any saliva increasing, aiding in the process of digestion, enhancing flavors further. As you prepare to swallow, notice the impulse to swallow. How does your body know when it's time to swallow? Follow this sensation, and when you do swallow, feel the food passing down your throat. Sit with the sensation of the bite moving towards your stomach. Take a moment to reflect on this first bite before continuing. How has it affected your state of mind? Do you feel a shift in your mood or heightened awareness of your senses? Continue with your next few bites at a slow, intentional pace. Focus on the act of chewing. Notice the sound of chewing, the movement of your jaw, the parts of your tongue that detect taste. With each and every bite, check in with your body. Gently shift your focus to the journey your food has taken before arriving on your plate. Picture the seeds, tiny and full of potential, being planted in nourishing soil. Imagine the farmers and gardeners tending these plants with care and attention, guiding them as they grow. Consider the elements, sunlight, water, and earth, all coming together to bring life from these seeds. Think of the hands that harvested what you're now eating. The skill and labour involved in choosing just the right moment to pick these fruits, vegetables, or grains. Reflect on the journey from farm to table, which may span vast distances, involving many people and processes that remain largely unseen in our daily lives. Now bring your mind to those who prepared your meal, whether it was you, someone in your family, or others. Think about the effort that went into transforming raw ingredients into the dish before you. Every decision in cutting, seasoning, and cooking was a step in the creation of this meal. With each of these thoughts, feel a sense of connection to the many lives and processes that intersect in the simple act of eating. Allow a feeling of gratitude to fill you, not just for the food, but for the complex web of life and human effort that brought it to you. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to notice your feelings and your state of mind. Reflect on your eating experience. How do you feel now compared to when you started? Thank you for sharing this mindful meal with me. If you enjoyed this meditation, please gently click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more mindful practices and meditations.